Hello, stars. Welcome back to Room with Me 23. I am Mandy, and we are going to have another love read. I know I've been here quite a bit this week, so I hope everybody is doing well, but I feel like I've been called here more than normal. So maybe there is a message for you. Okay, please remember, we're all adults here. Take what resonates with your story, apply it where it needs to be applied, and leave the rest for the other stars. Also, if you're new here, you are a star for sure. Keep shining bright. Yes. So I want you to think about the person that's on your mind. And we're going to do a card read here. Just see what's going on in the overall energy, or just think about, your love situation, whatever it is, whatever questions you may have, and we'll see if we can get some good nuggets here for you. Oh, also, I wanted to remind everybody about the Wishbone giveaway. I will be giving these 3 wishbones right here away at the end of the month. They will be beautified by me, prayed over, and also they will come with a good luck spell. So all you got to do is be a subscriber to the channel and like the videos that you watch and comment. And I will go through there at the end of the month and see who all commented on each video. You can get a entry each video as well too. So you can get 1 entry for each video. All right. And pull 3 cards for their overall current energy, and that one flipped over, so we are going to take it. Where did you go? I know you're in there, all flipped over. The Chariot. Something's coming your way, stars. Look at that. Okay. What else do we have? What's the current energy? The World. Something good is coming your way. Like, huh. Yeah, that's a wonderful, wonderful card to have right next to the Chariot. And the 6 of Swords. And it's going to make things just smooth sailing for you. How about that? Wow. So something is coming to you that just brings you the best things in the world, okay? And it is giving, just like I said, smooth sailing all the way. Successful. Maybe you're traveling, but it's success for sure. I don't know how far you're traveling. The Chariot does show wheels, but it doesn't appear that they're moving. But in the 6 of Swords, they're definitely moving. So you're going to have good things your way, and it's going to go really nice and smooth. That's the current energy. Let's see what the past looks like. Looks like a Page of Cups. Somebody who offered a cup of love. And it was turned into some lovers. All right. And it was good stuff. It was, the Empress is fertile and abundant, and she knows what she's worth. She just lets things come to her, and I feel like this is the past. This is a great looking past so far and a great looking read so far. So looks like somebody in the past offered you a cup of love and you guys became lovers. And cover these two up. See? Lovers here. And you just let it happen. Like the divine empress you are. Wow. Okay. What's the future got to bring? Because the present looks amazing. Like you guys are probably traveling and things feel nice and smooth sailing. The future is bringing more new beginnings, passionate, fiery action. Wow. Right underneath that page of wands, maybe is somebody like, it's almost like you're in the honeymoon phase. Oh, Nine of Pentacles here. Underneath the Lovers. And we have the Empress too. I don't think there's going to be a commitment. It looks like there's just like this, because that person is luxurious, and that's the ultimate singles card right there. And Eight of Pentacles, working hard on this too. So stars, you have a wonderful, bright future. Okay, sorry about that. So, that's wonderful. So we got, like I said, the Ace of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. Almost looks like that this passionate, because that's the future, this new passionate beginning that's coming your way creates beautiful, wonderful luxury and independence. And you've worked really hard for this, or, you know, you've crafted this. Like maybe you manifested this into you. Oh, wow. That's really good. All right. Well, stars. I do believe the person on the other person on your mind here is definitely this Page of Cups who's offered this love to you and you took it, because there's definitely the Lover's card and then you're the Empress. You're also this Nine of Pentacles. Not only are you abundant in all those things, ideas, you know it's coming to you. You're waiting on it to come to you, and you know it's going to be divine. Maybe you don't know how it's coming, but you know it's definitely going to be given to you as blessings for sure, or came to you, and you know it's a blessing. It's like having an attitude of gratitude, and then there you are in this luxurious way, got your stuff together. You've got a maybe a younger lover, because it is the Page of Cups here, and you are the Empress, so it looks like maybe you have a younger lover. And you know what? You worked for it. You know, like I said, it's the blessings of the you know, there that you worked so hard for. So, you know, you were, that's somebody who's a master of their craft, even, you know. Like I said, maybe you manifested this in. And then here in the present, you're just, you've got the world. It's like you know it. It's you know it's on its way. You know it's going to be smooth sailing. Wow. Let's see if there's any what kind of potential outcome or advice do we have? Ooh. The Four of Cups is the advice. So this could be somebody who's stubborn, holding a grudge, or it could be somebody who knows better than to accept whatever else is coming because they've got good stuff here. But this person really just doesn't look very like happy to have this cup of love handed to them. Almost like they've got enough, so they don't need this cup. Maybe that's it. Maybe your advice is, you shouldn't turn your back on any of your blessings. There you go. So your advice is don't turn your back on any of your blessings. All right? Any emotional blessings, anything that I can see it in these cards that you know that you're divinely blessed. Okay? Cups talk about emotions though, like feelings and stuff or relationships. So I feel like your advice is just telling you, you know, don't be rejecting anything that's, be careful not to reject certain blessings. This is also the hand of the divine, hand of God, whatever you want to say here, trying to hand this cup to this person. So be very aware of that. Okay, that's a wonderful card read. Where do I go with that? Wow, that was so good. We got to pull some fortune cards. So we're going to pull some fortune oracle cards here, but it definitely looks like you have a younger lover. And you're having fun too. This world card and going places, doing things, manifesting the good stuff, knowing you're blessed. Oh, watch out for those snakes though. Okay? Just be careful, all right? There's that abundance card. You are so abundant. Yeah, doesn't it just say that with that Nine of Pentacles and the Empress in the same reading? That's amazing. So your abundance, man, these are lucky times for you. I mean, you know, good news, success, prosperity. The only advice really here, or only negative things I see here, really, and they're not really negative, they're just kind of heads up for, not to be rejecting the blessings and watch out for the snakes. And I think, you're in the Empress mode. I think your intuition is spot on. You will probably be able to spot some BS from 10 miles away. Oh, that's fun. Ow. All right. So you've got the wisdom too to go with that Empress stature there. Oh, wow. Yep. There are spiritual messages and great wisdom to be found during this period. Oh, wow. Well, that is one good reading. I don't think I need to pull any more cards. I hope that this just gave you a confirmation, a good nugget, whatever it might be. We are going to spell some words here. Try to spell some words. We're going to see what these letter tiles come up with. This could also be initials. Well, I'm sorry about that. I hope you could hear me through that card read. I have the number 4. Man, I feel like I got that yesterday, and that's a different one. 4 is definitely important, stars, because I think that's 2 days in a row I've gotten the number 4, and 4 is a foundational number, okay? This is strong foundations, and I can see that in this card read. We got a W, a U, P, and X. Okay. There may be an X coming around. Looking for that stability. That 4. I don't see any words. What, I do. I see the word up, which is where you're going, where you're headed, up. All right. Let's see if we get any, what kind of charms we get. We got a castle. Well, hey, the Empress lives in a castle. So you're living large, even though that's small. Living large. And we have a crescent moon here. Maybe this chariot's bringing it during the crescent moon. And I love the color of purple on this crescent moon. And this crescent moon almost looks like it has a smiling face on it. Okay. Let's see. We're going to pull one last card just for you, stars. If you haven't done so already, please hit that like button. It helps the channel grow and inspires me. So this last card that I pull is just for you. Like I said, maybe a little bit of inspiration, but some positivity, something to think about, just for you, stars. Authenticity. Who I truly am is good indeed. I am authentic in thought, word, and deed. Yes, you are. Because you're the Empress. All right, that's what I have for you. Until next time, bye, stars.